Angel on the track.
Incoming! They're coming back now! Alright, well, good news for tomorrow morning. I just got permission for 150, 200 bird feed, but the only problem is it's in a guy's backyard. There's always complications with us, apparently. So somehow we're going to have to try to find a way to get a good hide and be in a good safety zone away from houses and roads in order to hunt this, which you can, but it's not the most ideal situation. I don't know how the hell it's going to work. We're going to have to do something, but we got permission, so we're going to be there bright and early in the morning. I got to figure out a hide somehow in the middle of the field to shoot a certain direction so we're not shooting towards any houses or anything. But I don't know how it's going to work out. Hopefully we kill them. If not, well, but we're going to Hail Mary this one and see where it goes. It's 3 in the morning. It's been a long night for the fellas. We got Jerry coming out right now. Everyone's getting ready. Jerry's stumbling, as you can tell. It's been a long one. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go set up. Birds come in. We're gonna kill them. We're gonna kill them anyways. Woo!
Yo, Jerry, you making a buddy early in the morning?
All right, so we've been at the field for, it's 4:30, we've been at the field for an hour now. Another crew just showed up, they had permission. We kind of knew that they had permission. We were not sure they were gonna show up this morning. They just did, they're gonna have 4 or 5 shooters, so we're gonna have about 9 to 10 on this field. We're gonna run blinds together. I mean, it's a clover field, so we got a good hide, it's just we really gotta bunch it up. We're gonna throw a couple decoys around. But it should be a fun shoot. If birds work, we're gonna kill a lot. And this field is gonna be messed up, but this is what we came here to do, so let's go shoot them. Good luck trying right here, baby. What are we naming them? Goose?
We're naming them
We got Goose the cat.
Goose the cat.
Hi, cat. It's not my leg. 6:30. Sitting here in the barn. Got my pile over here. Gonna bring us good luck for the hunt. Got a little bit of rain right now, so we gotta sit out for, I don't know, 30 more minutes probably. We got shooting light, but no birds gonna pick off yet. Pretty foggy and rainy, so we just got back conditions, but about 30 minutes everything will pass and that's when the birds will pick up. And then little buddy over here is gonna get his freaking ears popped off because we're gonna shoot so much, so we're gonna kill him. Kill him! Let's go! Let's go! There's more, I think there's more birds.
Get the bird, get the bird, get the bird.
Stay in.
Right here.
They're close. They're close. Really close.
The group. Over top, over top. Oh shit. Wait.
Shoot it!
Stop, man.
I don't want to shoot him.
There's one in his yard, right?
Yeah. They're coming back.
Just knocked down a bunch of birds. Waiting on another flock. We got a bunch of woundeds in the back. We gotta go get them.
Your truck's, where's it at in your truck? Right in the back seat, in the bag.
Oh, yep.
Let them land. Let them land. Let them all land. Don't keep, no.
Yep.
Oh, I just dumped that one over there. Gotta go get them cripples. Hit 'em. They might come back. There's a lot hurt.
Oh.
You two. Shoot him! Shoot him! They're coming back! Get out!
Get down.
Camera on him.
There's one over here, too. Off his head.
Kill him!
Let's go! Kill him! Don't shoot down.
Get
Get on him!
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to take him. We're gonna have to take him. They're flaring. They're flaring.
Come in!
Ready? Wait. Call it.
Take him!
Coming over top. Wait.
Wait. Turn around and shoot him when he comes to the house. Right now. Turn around.
Go whack him, whack him, whack him, whack him.
Oh, God, there it is! Come back, too. Let's go! Let's go! Where was he hiding? Let's go. Shoot. Let's go, baby. That's the shoot right there. That's what we've been waiting for. That's what we've been waiting for.
All right, well, that hunt, once that fog cleared out a little bit and stopped raining, all hell broke loose. All hell broke loose.
A lot of birds. A lot of birds, short amount of time.
A lot
so many
of birds.
Different groups all at once.
Oh, it just went bonkers, but we're putting them down.
Too much fun.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how many more flocks we're gonna see, but
That might have been the last.
today was a hell of a day.
Oh, yeah.
Hell of a day.
Angel on the track.